Welcome to Map Layers, the latest feature from LogHub. If you ever struggled with recalculating maps each time you merge them, this feature is here to simplify that process. Let me show you how easy it is to save and revisualize map layers on any map without the need for recalculations. Let's take a look at the LogHub Map Layers tab on our platform. Here, you'll find predefined map layers that we provide, such as the locations of logistics service providers or the busiest cargo airports. But you can also create your own map layers. Let's walk through how this works. Imagine you're running a center of gravity analysis. You've got your network, including customer locations and existing warehouses, but you're unsure about adding some potential warehouses to the network. Let's save those potential warehouses as a map layer. To do that, you can navigate to the folder where your potential warehouses map is saved. Click on the three dots and select Save as Map Layers. Choose a workspace, give it a name, and click Create. You can also customize your map layers, change their style, name, or colors. Now let's go back to our main map and add a potential warehouses layer. Open the layer menu, click on the plus icon, and choose the workspace and layer you want to add. Your potential warehouses are now added to the map. But let's take this a step further. What if you want to see where the DHL warehouses are located? You would simply add a predefined LogHub map layer showing DHL locations the same way. This layer includes multiple locations, but let's hide all except the DHL warehouses. Now you can see your potential and existing warehouses all on the same map by reusing map layers. And there you have it, you've just learned how to create and merge map layers for future visualization. For more tips and tricks on LogHub features, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.